On this demo site we will look at a couple of examples of how ChatGPT can be used in two business scenarios. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that uses natural language processing in which you are asked questions and ChatGPT responds in a way that is as close to human responses. Similar to how Alexa or Siri act, other tools that respond to voice, although ChatGPT works through written questions. GPT Chat is based on information from millions of web pages in order to respond as accurately as possible. Okay, let's start the demo by clicking on the GPT Chat icon. Here we see two options corresponding to the two demo examples to be presented. Let's choose the first option, ChatGPT Travel Advisor. In this demo, ChatGPT will be used as a tool to recommend what to do during a trip to a place we choose, based on the interests we have in the trip and during a certain number of days that it can last. By typing the desired options, ChatGPT will respond with a recommended agenda with the places to visit. In the same way, in that same place, ChatGPT will show an image of the specified place created also with artificial intelligence technology. Note that this information could be carried into the database as metadata so that it can be processed for future use. When finished, we return to the main menu with the option, Go to Home. The ChatGPT classifier demo will give you an idea of the text analysis capabilities of ChatGPT. In the demo it will ask you to type a few words and indicating to process them will return the classification of what it finds as people, places, dates or brand names. In the same way, you could copy and paste a small paragraph of maximum 80 words so that ChatGPT allows you to analyze the search for the same elements and thus classify them. Note that the text can be in another language and the answer will be given in the same language as the text. Of course, these findings could be taken to the database for later use. Now you have an idea of how ChatGPT can be integrated into business applications and provide or extract information for many different purposes for almost any area of human knowledge. The integration of ChatGPT with BIS using BISPy programming techniques will allow you to dispense with the creation of additional servers such as those of Django, Flask, Azure or similar.